Mr. Plemons-3 is recovering, should be able to go home soon.
Well, that's great news.
Knock on wood.
Well, if we're still on this, that is for Micah, and I'm sure that is pet peeve for your wood demons.
Oh, it's the thought that counts.
And the amoxicillin.
Yes, that's true, actually. They both count, okay?
Only magical thinking, that doesn't really do anything.
You're wrong, dude. There's weird stuff you can't explain. Like, every time I wear my lucky pink socks, nobody codes.
So why don't you wear them every day?
Because that would be gross. And my laundry's in the basement.
Well, I mean, I wish all that magic did work. It'd make my job a whole lot easier. Zap, no more cirrhosis. Zap, no more cancer.
Wait, I have cancer?
No, we were just kidding, man. You good?
In Serena's defense, though, there is some evidence behind magical thinking. You know, like carrying a rabbit's foot might not cure hypertension, but if rubbing one calms you down, then it could lower your blood pressure. That's my girl.
That's just a placebo effect. That doesn't mean mystical spirits are working behind the scenes.
I'm just saying, don't mess with stuff you don't understand.
Or what?
Maybe we don't find out or what, and we all just do our jobs.
Attention, people, quick announcement. I'm calling on all spirits, good and evil, to use your magic and your powers to hex this place. So I guess we'll see.
You know, there's a lot to it. There's a lot to this astrology stuff.
Oh, yeah, it's fun, right?
It's fascinating. I mean, it sucks that it's been appropriated by all these woo-woo white ladies. Because when you really think about it, the science backs it up.
It's not about the science for me. I just like it.
Well, you might think, are Capricorns actually tough? But a baby born in winter would have to be more resilient from an evolutionary standpoint.
Right.
I mean, the weaker baby simply wouldn't make it.
Okay, I gotta take this.
I'm actually thinking. The moon moves the ocean, so why wouldn't it affect a fetus?
Yeah.
A fetus is smaller than an ocean. It's actually way smaller.
I've actually decided this goes in the women's restroom now, so.
Oh, wow. Oh, Val, do you need a hand?
Yes, thank you so much.
Of course, happy to help. Hey, anyone around to give Val a hand? She's really struggling here. Hang in there.
Mitch, call maintenance for the guy in 1. His TV's not working for some reason.
Those flat screens are from the Clinton era.
And the printer in Zone B just ran out of ink, so we can't use it.
The low toner light's been blinking for days.
My son just called. He didn't make varsity. Thanks, Ron.
Okay, enough. These are just normal things that happen all the time. People get sick, electronics break, and Keith, no offense, I met your son. He's an inside kid. So can we all just take a breath?
Dr. Taylor, what happened?
Oh, I went for a quick hike and I got bit by a rattlesnake.
Anti-venom in 105?
Surgeons getting bit by snakes. Is that something that happens all the time? I feel like I'd remember that.
Oh, you brought your crystals. Do we really need these?
We gotta shake up that energy in here. There's snakes now.
Well, I've always said the fate of our patients rests on whether or not there's a tiny piece of quartz on this counter. You saved the hospital.
First off, that's peach moonstone. And I'm not saying these can, like, cure kidney disease, but there is something real about vibes.
So are these vibes here with us right now in the room?
Yes. Just because you can't see something doesn't mean it's not there. I mean, we've only known about germs for like 200 years.
That's not a bad point.
Thank
Oh,
you.
not you too.
I'm just saying.
I refuse to live in a world in which you are on their side.
At the very least, the hex has gotten into people's heads. It's been a very weird day. And not to make this about me, but I think Bruce and I are best friends now, and it's been very destabilizing. So can you just please, can you just indulge everyone and say the hex is over?
No, I'm not going to validate some kind of nonsense that leads to bad medicine. If I give in on this, then I'm part of the problem.
Okay.
So the hex stays because the hex isn't real. In fact, I'm doubling down on the hex. Double hex, people. And before you say one hex can cancel out the other, triple hex.
Damn it.
Ah, where is the anti-venom?
Almost ready, Steph.
Technically, the word is anti-venin, not venom. It's a common mistake.
Thank God you were here, Bruce. That was a close one.
Oh, Jesus, what happened here?
I got bit by a rattlesnake.
So now we're down a nurse, a chaplain, and a surgeon? What is with today?
Ron, you want to take this one?
Yeah, it's fine. We're going to give it an anti-venom for the bite
Venom.
and maybe toss in some crystals and change the vibe of the poison.
It actually doesn't look too bad, honestly. It's, swollen, pale, kind of blotchy.
It's the other one.
Oh my God, that's much worse. Wow, that was one snake?
Yeah.
You're kidding. Oh, wow. Oh, God, I'm sorry. I don't know why I did that.